In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shopify error message. This store cannot accept payments right now. Now, encountering this issue on your Shopify store can be quite concerning, especially if you're ready to make those all-important sales. But not to worry, we'll walk through the steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve this problem, helping you to get your store back up and ready to accept payments in no time. First, let's dive into your Shopify dashboard. You'll want to direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the page where you'll find the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. By doing so, it will open up a host of options related to the configuration of your store. Locating and accessing this part of your dashboard is crucial because it contains many of the controls you'll need to manage and fine-tune your store's functionality. Once you've entered the settings menu, look over to the left panel. Here, you'll see an option labeled Payment. Click on it. This will bring up a page dedicated to all your payment processing settings. This section is pivotal because it outlines every available payment method you've already added to your store. Understanding what's available and being able to manage these settings can make or break your sales process. Now that you're viewing these payment methods, take a moment to assess your current setup. You'll want to try disconnecting these methods and then reconnecting them. By doing so, you can refresh the connection, which might correct potential misconfigurations or issues causing payment processing errors. To do this, simply follow the prompts to disconnect and then re-add your preferences. Additionally, consider adding more payment methods. Offering a variety gives your customers more options to complete their purchases, which can significantly decrease the likelihood of facing payment-related issues. More options could mean more successful transactions, and it can also enhance the customer experience by offering convenience and flexibility when they decide to make a purchase on your store. And there you have it. That's all you need to do. This simple yet effective approach should help resolve the frustrating error message and get your Shopify store running smoothly again, ensuring you never miss out on any sales opportunities. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, feel free to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Shopify store.